Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariana. I'm an entrepreneur and a stylist. I co-own a jewelry brand called Pretty Thug New York, which I'm rocking some of the hoops today. But I know that's not why you're here. You're here for a vlog. So welcome back to my channel if you're a subscriber. Hey little subscribers. And if you're new here, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're about to go on a little, not excursion, I know where I'm going, but we're going downtown, well, to the Upper West Side to get some maintenance done. My hair is blown out in preparation for braids. That's the first step of the maintenance, which I did not film, but y'all know how a blowout looks. Yeah, so I'm going to get the nails and toes done today. That's the first day of maintenance, which is all I can handle. So we'll see how this turns out. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. I'm exhausted. I haven't really eaten. After I got my nails done, I started walking like, well, it was my intent to walk a few blocks, find a cute place to eat, and then just have a quick solo, solo lunch to myself. But today, like, nothing was jumping out at me, and I was like, I'm not about to force it. Like, if it just is what it is. But look at my nails, they so cute, perfect for Mexico. So yeah, my hair looks crazy. The humidity just, I mean, it was blown out, it wasn't like straight, but the humidity outside in New York is just craziness. But it was nice to take a little stroll. Everybody was out with their families looking cute. It was so nice, the weather, like, it's hot but it's not too hot. Yeah, so then today is what, Friday? Then Sunday I get waxed and braids. Yeah, so I will tune back in then. Hi guys, I'm here at Sugared and Bronzed. I'm here with Mia. She seems fabulous already. I've never been sugar waxed. I've had Brazilian wax, so hopefully, I heard it's less pain and better for your skin.
It is better for your skin, and it is more effective at damaging the hair follicle. So the hair goes out less.
Ah, okay.
But it will hurt a little because when I mold this on, it pulls your hair back. So it might feel a little uncomfortable at first.
Is it worse than a wax? A regular wax? Kind of, sort of.
Maybe for your first time, it might be worse than ours because
Oh, I
you're
see.
used to like the pulling of the hair.
Got it.
But it should get easier.
Okay.
However, what do you call it? My knees up for me.